You have put out this ambitious guidance. You're talking about $10 billion of EBITDA. Could you tell us how confident are you about getting there? And if you could fill us in with the timeline as well.
$10 billion is if you look at, we are the largest producer of zinc, silver. So we are very, very, very confident. Aluminium, we are the largest producer, 3 million ton.
What the street is looking forward to is the demerger of these businesses. Could you tell us the timelines and have approvals come through?
Yeah, it's all done. It's all, we have got majority of lender approval.
So by the end of this fiscal year, we could have the units separated?
I think so, because certain things are in my hand, certain things are not in my hand.
How sure are you? In the first half of this fiscal year, should we see that steel asset getting sold at a good valuation?
We get a price of $1.2 billion per million ton. We may consider to take the view.
So what is the total valuation you're seeking for this 3.5 million ton plant?
Yeah, around 4.5.
That stock price itself of Hindustan Zinc has more than doubled in this calendar year itself. Any conversation with the government of India? We were talking about an OFS as well a few months ago. When do you expect that to happen?
Hindustan Zinc can be any price. It can be $100 billion company. It is a company, and whenever government want to sell, they can sell. It is up to them.
All right, but you haven't heard about a potential OFS in the near term?
We hear every time, it is always in the government's mind to sell the share. They call us, they decide us, they give the mandate to the bank, but action has to be taken, and I'm sure something will happen.
What's your message to the shareholders here of Vedanta Limited, and what's the deleveraging plan at Vedanta Resources?
I think we are very comfortable to address the debt. We have a good cash flow and good dividend that should take care of all the debt payment of VRL.
Okay, all right. You know, the Vedanta Limited stock, that's bounced back, and it's bounced back in a huge manner. What's the plans with regard to your holding in the company? It's come down a little bit to around 61.5% or thereabouts. Will you look to reduce stake further? And also, are there any plans of diluting equity?
We have 62%, 61 point something percent of holding on the of the company, and we are comfortable. Any investment bankers comes and gives me some idea, we will work on. At this point of time, there is nothing on the card to take our holding down below 61.5%.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.